Founded in 1982, FIMA Lifting and Lashing has grown into China's leading integrated manufacturer of premium hoisting solutions, designing and delivering safety that lifts industries worldwide. Our commitment extends beyond products. With 24/7 dedicated support teams and localized service hubs worldwide, we deliver tailored solutions from consultation to installation. Whether safeguarding delicate equipment or critical infrastructure projects, we stand by every lift because your operational excellence is our ultimate blueprint. Precision is non-negotiable. Every product undergoes extreme stress tests, backed by ISO 9001 and CCS certifications. Our passionate team blends cutting-edge technology with hands-on expertise to ensure one thing: when you lift heavy, FIMA lifts more reliable. FIMA Lifting, engineering confidence, elevating progress.